Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to my channel. I share entertainment news, celebrity gossip. If you are someone who likes izindaba zabantu, this is definitely the channel for you. Guys, nginiphetele isigaxa, such a very huge isigaxa. So we all know Mosu Aaron Moloisi, the guy who was a host shift. You remember those days go SABC One, there was a show called eShift. He is also a host man in other shows nje, but mina the one that I can remember is Shift. A very multilingual guy. One day you hear him speak this language, nini it's Venda, nini it's Zulu. He is very multilingual, and yeah, so ke sana kuthiwa ke uguy scammed someone. Okay, is a scammer or it was a first time scamming someone, I do not know. But nje okay, apparently he was booked to be a host at a wedding, because obvious this guy vele udume mosibele ngokuhosta, to be an MC. So he was booked to be an MC at a certain wedding by a guy. So this guy was on a podcast, This is where we heard the whole story. The guy that was scammed went to a podcast and explained everything. Taibo, Aaron Moloisi scammed me. Aaron Moloisi, this guy is a photographer, ne? So this guy, he was booked here not to be a photographer at a certain wedding. Yeah, one. So kesana kule wedding, but no man, than your host. Do you know anyone that can be an MC? We need someone to be an MC because we can't find anyone. And then the photographer was like, no, I actually have someone in mind. Aaron Moloisi, he's, as I said, multilingual. That's what they wanted. And also he's a great MC. Like we've seen him, Jeguma events. He's very great with that. Okay, I said, no, I know Aaron Moloisi. Sharp. They call him, they confirm, he agrees, they confirm the date and everything. The wedding was supposed to be in Limpopo. Ne? So, okay, Aaron Moloisi, ne? And then he wanted a deposit, so he charged them 12,000. He wanted a deposit. The guy who is a photographer was like, okay, very obvious, guys. When you book, I think really you need to pay a deposit just to secure your space or something, to secure your booking. So the photographer was like, okay, sharp, send the 6,000. Now the balance is 6,000. And then 2 days before the wedding, Aaron Louis is like, please send the remaining balance. Okay, sent another 6K. It's 12,000 now in total. Ne? And then on the day of the wedding, guy doesn't pitch. He didn't even send a message. Guys, I'm not coming. Something came up. I'm sick. I have an emergency. I have what. He just goes silent. They waited and waited for an MC. MC Arafigi, Aaron Moloisi. When they tried to call him, block. So the fact that you are able to block someone, it means that you are not dead. At least we can see that you are able to block us. He blocked and blocked and blocked. They didn't pitch for a wedding. Now the guy who went to a podcast, who is a photographer, guy is so stressed, Kaizini. He said he went to open a case. He has a case number. Now he needs to go to a small claims court. Guningi sana guningi, and the couple that was getting married, they are now thinking, this guy who is a photographer is the one that scammed them. They're like, dude, we want our money. Guy's like, guys, I didn't scam you. I was also scammed by this guy. And they're like, no, because one email they sent it to the photographer. So obviously, this whole thing now, it lies on the photographer. Like, it's like now he was lying, and also he's the one who suggested to Aaron Louise. Like, one thing about the entertainment industry, guys, these people, okay, not all of them, but nje ngathi ba-broke, ngathi ba-broke, ngathi akuhambi kahle, kanti niholani lapho, niholani. We can't be broke and now you are broke. I salute celebrities that have businesses on the side, because if things don't go well there, or if you don't get gigs or bookings, You have something on the side, you know, you have a business that is making you an income. Like kuningi, kuningi, and to scam people like that, cabanga nje, people are just sitting there at your wedding waiting for an MC. The MC doesn't pitch, and maybe you've already told your friends, your family, hey, son, a celebrity is going to be an MC at my wedding. Aaron Molois is going. Where is Aaron Molois now? Hmm. He is nowhere to be found. Yeah, Ukai is just nje appealing to the public. If you see him, if you see Aaron Moloisi, tell him to call me or tell him to bring back the money. Just send the money and then that's it. Because this thing is now going to Amakoti. It's a lot, sana kuningi, kuningi. You know? It keeps on getting kuningi. Yeah, but nje, hi. Yiso-ke lesi sikhathi xa nginiphathele sona namhlanje, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.